What up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be doing a review and how to use this. It's separation net, basically. That's what they call it here. I bought it from a website called Temu because the price was just right, and I needed another one anyway. So we're gonna do an unboxing, I guess, kind of. Okay. It's a pretty large one compared to the one I have right now. The reason why I needed it was due to my plecos that are bleeding right now. So I'm gonna do some quick thinking here. How does this work? They look the same, so. Okay, I think this is how I'm gonna overlap it. So it comes with, let's start this from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the net. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a bunch of suction cups. So what's it called? 15 pieces with 6 suction cups. I don't like suction cups because they always fall, but we're gonna try it anyway. It's fine. We'll make it work. Let's set this up. So we need the bottom piece, I'm assuming, and then we probably need to put this to hold all of the fish going down. Okay, that's one. That's two. That's kind of 3. It's actually a lot harder to put on than I thought. By harder, I mean instruction wise, just a lot more strength than I thought I would need to put it on. This is the top. Again, this is kind of self-explanatory. The instructions come in English and in Chinese, so, or some language. Let's go. So that's basically the entire thing. How does this separation work? It's kind of what I want to know. If this is how the separation works, I hate it. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. This is a drop net. So this can go up. I figured out the problem. This can slide up. If I do it correctly, at least. Okay, so this is the entire thing now, right? I don't know how long this is gonna hold upwards, and I'm kind of not liking that. Okay, now it's telling me to bag it, so, well, bag it, I use the net, but, again, this is pretty much just self-explanatory, like you would do with any other safety net, safety box net, I don't know what you want to call it, separation net, is what they call it on the box. I put it on the wrong way, didn't I? Of course I did. I thought it would go on in any which way, but I was, of course, wrong. Goes on like that. Not that that made it any easier. Okay, this back on all the way down. Fix that a little bit later, making sure that all of them go into the right position. Kind of liking this more now. But the suction cups are covered. And this looks horrible. I mean, I guess it gives it baby fish a space to go if it was like a predator, but I don't know. We'll see. But the suction cups, how the... Well, this sucks. Well, that actually fit on a lot easier than I thought. I guess I just forced it on and it worked. Again, it comes with 6 suction cups. Not to say that it won't work, but in my past experience with suction cups, they all suck. No, actually they suck on sucking, so they don't actually suck. Whatever. Again, all I'm doing is inserting it into the points. Last one in the middle. Okay. So that's all the suction cups. I'm going to be putting this in my 55-gallon tank for breeding plecos, and we'll see what it looks like after. So as you see, I have the thing in there. It's actually pretty nice for the price. I'm actually thinking about selling some of these. These are huge compared to the other ones, at least double the size. My other one, and even has enough space for fish to still be able to swim by. You see my guppies can go right by it. See some of my plecos in there. The whole point of this was actually I have a pleco in there that's got a bunch of babies that I want to put in here so I can make sure they're eating. But I think I'm gonna have to take out that bottom piece. I'm not that if it was for guppies and something like that, it would make more sense. But I'm talking about for like just plecos. That's gonna be a problem. Actually, I'm gonna just push it down. Technically, I don't even need it in there. Neither do I need this, but I guess it's nice to have the option. I mean, I could literally take this out, and now it's just one nice large piece. But it's fine. I like the space for the breeder box. For the price, it's the same one they sell at like PetSmart, and it's double the size, so it's got a lot of width to it. Anyway, I'm gonna release some of these plecos in there, and I'm gonna show you guys later. So you can actually see all of the bristlenose pleco babies, all here, all very healthy, all still with the egg spot. You see that yellow spots on them? That is all still eggs. What's it called? They all look great, and there's a lot of them. Anyway, I realized something after finishing doing this. Well, I still have 2 or 3 in there. This cave actually fits inside this breeder box. Kind of feel dumb for doing all that. I didn't have to if I could just do that in the first place. But whatever. Since I already did it, I'm gonna just leave it in there. There's probably 1 or 2 that I've always leave in there because they just won't come out. But yeah. I mean, I didn't know it fits in there. I'd rather do that than having to take them all out. This is a pain. But we'll see. Anyway, that's done. I'm going to be putting these guys in there, and then you guys will see them in there.